everybody. My name is Lambert de Bie. I'm a Dutch Master Florist. I live in Ireland since well over 25 years. Myself and my husband have flower shops in Waterford and Kilkenny, and we work with a wonderful team of amazing florists from all over the world. We're very proud to have people from sometimes 7, 8, 9 different countries, nationalities working with us. And we're also very proud today because we're celebrating Pride. Pride is a beautiful season. As a gay man, I'm very proud to celebrate Pride, but also very proud that a lot of our customers, more and more every year, want to celebrate Pride. And they ask us for, can you make a Pride bouquet? I want to celebrate Pride. I want to congratulate somebody. I want to show them my support. I want to show them how much it means that everybody's inclusive. Something that's very dear to our heart. Everybody inclusive, obviously we all know it's part of the rainbow. The rainbow represents every color, every flower, every person. That's why these flowers here are very popular for Pride. They're called the rainbow flowers. This is a chrysanthemum bloom, and that's a rose. They start off as white flowers. What they do is they cut the stems in different sections. So they might cut them in 4, like the different, and they put a tube of flower food on each section. The color water with the flower food drinks up, and that gives the separate sections different colors. All of these rainbow flowers we have in our shop throughout the month of June. And a lot of people buy them because of the Pride flowers, but a lot of people say, hey, I love that, something different, something colorful, something fun. It doesn't always have to be so serious, it can be a little bit of joy. What I want to make today is a Pride bouquet, and I'm primarily going to use some of the rainbow chrysanthemums and the rainbow roses. These chrysanthemums, the rainbow chrysanthemums, come into us like this. They're packed in a little tight net for protection during transport, but also for protection when they are growing. The netting has been put onto it when they're only a small bud, so they kind of grow into that. And when they arrive to us, we have to open them up, which is just a little netting that protects them, and then they open like this. As a base for every bouquet, I start with greenery. The greenery is the base of everything, and it's equally as important as the flowers. Really chuffed to have this beautiful eucalyptus, and the smell is just beautiful. I always feel I'd love to take one stem and break it up and put it in a bath. I've never actually done it, but I might yet try it someday. A couple of different shaped foliage. You have the lovely long elegant one, the round one, more volume one, and then the fern to finish off at the end. The whole technique of a bouquet is a spiral technique. Most important is that I always say people make a bouquet, hold your hand as if it is your vase, but also as if you're really showing off. This is your vase, you're very proud, this is my making your bouquet. Hold it up like that, because if you're too tight with your bouquet, you can't make a nice bouquet. See, your flowers get in the way, so be really proud, hold your flowers up there, and it's a theater. So I'm starting with 3 of the primary flowers, the chrysanthemum blooms, and again you can see the spiral already happening here. I'm holding it in my hand there, and I'm just building it up. This is a beautiful summer flower. It's called a trachelium. It's got a beautiful screen, but what I love about it, it's got a nice dark color, a beautiful soft texture, and then I'm going to use some of our beautiful peony roses. Again, these are just absolutely stunning. For a Pride bouquet, if I would use just the rainbow chrysanthemums and the rainbow roses, it would be too much. It would be too much of mixed colors. So I like to use with that some strong colors, but individual colors, like this strong pink. Peony rose, your bouvardia is beautiful. I'm going to go for some of the gerbras as well. I love the gerbras, and pretty much everybody loves the gerbras, and they really fit in with a Pride bouquet because of the vibrant colors, the vibrancy. The yellow one, it's a gorgeous one, and it's such a happy flower. I find it's like a big smile, the gerbera. It's just a really beautiful flower. As you can see, I keep using the same movement with my bouquet. So the only thing I do, it's actually very simple once you have it done. And when you haven't done anything else for the last 40 years of your life, makes it even simpler. But all I do is put an extra flower here. So if I want something here, I move my bouquet this way, I pick up my flower and I place it there. Next flower, I want to put it here. So I turn my bouquet, take another flower, and again, the same movement. So even though I'm left-handed, I hold my bouquet in my right hand, But everything spirals the same direction. That's the most important thing. It doesn't matter whether your spiral go to the left or to the right, as long as you're constantly going in the same direction. Some of my beautiful rainbow roses have to go in there. And because I have everything in the same direction, I can move flowers in from the center right into the bouquet. And it's very important to have the different contrast. I like, with something vibrant like that, there's a lot of bright colors. What it really needs is a dark accent against there. Here, if you see all the bright colors, if you forget about the dark purples, it almost becomes too much. The dark really sets off the lighter color. That's why I'm also using these carnations. I actually love carnations. Carnations is a word that has been taboo in the flower world for many years, and it's only now, the last few years, getting a little bit more accepted because of the fact that the growers are growing such beautiful, strong colors, unusual colors. But what's wrong with a beautiful flower that lasts a long time and just looks good in any bouquet? So the problem with carnations is that when I came to Ireland 25 years ago, with all respect to most florists, carnations were used like in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 triangular boring arrangement, and nobody wants that. But that time thankfully is gone. It's all a bit looser, a bit wilder, a bit more natural. What else do we want in that? Another carnation. I can keep going forever with this. I'll take another peony rose. See, the peony rose is already starting to open. Isn't it just beautiful? And just a little bit of the eucalyptus. I love the way that the bouquet doesn't finish there. There's a little bit of a cascade happening with the greenery there. And again, the minute I pick up the eucalyptus, I get the smell of it. It is so beautiful. And talking about the scent, I have some beautiful matricaria here as well. I love this matricaria. It's a flower we have pretty much for the whole summer. It gives so much fun and joy to any bouquet. It's beautiful in a colored bouquet like this. It's beautiful with an all white bouquet. It's from the chamomile family. I'm not saying to you you can make tea of this one. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not guaranteeing that. But it is from the same family. But the smell is just absolutely divine on it. And it gives you that really soft summer movement in a bouquet as well, which is so important. So that's one of my beautiful Pride bouquets. So if you're interested in any of our Pride bouquets, just go onto our website, and if you want to order any of the bouquets, there's a Florist Choice Bouquet. If you want to order the Florist Choice Bouquet, and just make a note on the notes, there's an opportunity to take a note. Please make this like a Pride bouquet, or include some of the Pride flowers. Absolutely no problem. Contact us directly in the shop, in our Kilkenny shop or our Waterford shop. You can get any of our florists by either telephone or by email in the shops. We'll be more than happy to facilitate your Pride bouquet. And again, as I said earlier, for any businesses that would like to show the support, which I believe is so important, and thankfully so many people do, give us a ring and we'll make something big or small, round or square, whatever way you want it, for on your counter, to show that you are not only supportive, but you're open to the conversation. And I think that's more than we can expect. If you're open to it, show it to your customers, show it to your people, and makes the people feel that stronger. I remember when I was a young boy, how much it would have meant, before I was openly out, how much it would have meant that a local shop would have had a Pride window display. That would have meant a lot. And I know there's people today still in Ireland and anywhere else. And for those people, I think it is so important that we all share this message.